back to my channel. My name is caviarkezzy. If you're new here, I'd love for you to join the family. I talk about hair and all things hair, so hair review. Today I'm talking about LUFFY Wig on AliExpress. I was fortunate enough to have them contact me, so I've been sent this hair. Did not pay for this hair myself, but that does not mean that my opinions are not honest and genuine. I want you guys to know that my opinions are still of my own. So I'm going to be 100% honest. I'm going to keep you guys updated. This is the unboxing part. This is not the wig that I have on right now, but I'm going to put it on in a second for you guys. I mean, I could come bald-headed, but like, I don't know if you guys are ready for that. I don't know if I'm ready for that. Like, it's putting a lot of yourself into the world. Like, I need to control the controllables, but y'all might see a sneak peek of me yanking off this. So this is what the box looks like when you receive it. It was shipped to me with DHL, so I got it within 3 days of shipping, so that was pretty cool. And of course the wig comes with, you know, in the box. So now guys, what I did was I did wash the hair and condition the hair, and I'm letting it air dry, so it's not actually in the box, but I'll show you what else comes in the box. Obviously the wig comes wrapped in this, so yeah, we don't need that. And it comes with this on this net. We don't need. Okay, so cool. They give us a wig cap, and they actually give you the dark color, because y'all know there's a lighter color like the one on her head, and that does not do anything for anyone. So you get a free wig cap. I don't know if everyone gets a wig cap or if I was just sent a wig cap, but from the reviews that I've watched before, looks like everybody gets that, and a piece of an elastic band. So that's really nice. Thank you, LUFFY Wigs. Okay, and oh my god, my nails. So this type of hair that I have is Peruvian, and it's 18 inches. Let's see, will it focus? Focus, focus, girl. Okay, so 18 inches, Peruvian natural color, okay? And then it comes with also a little pamphlet. It comes with a little paper here. It tells you about, what does it tell you? If you give feedback, you can, you know, they appreciate the positive feedback. It also talks about the return policy, 100% money back guaranteed on each item. Okay, so this is basically if you want to return the hair, I believe you fill this product out, okay, and you just tell them why. So that's neat that they have that. On the back of it, it has also why your hair might be tangling, how to prevent tangling. So they have lots of information. It says like here about the cap sizes. You can have a different cap size, so you can just contact them for that. So this is more of like a custom made wig. So if you want, from the looks of what I'm seeing here and what I'm reading, so if you want it fuller, you can ask them for that. If you want a different cap size, you can ask them for that. Okay, but anyways, let's get to the juicy stuff. So let's toss that aside. This is the hair. Now, this is in the 18 inch, and this is Peruvian, guys. I have not ordered Peruvian texture on my own, but this is a 13 by 6, so it's a lace front, and they claim that it is pre-plucked already, which it does look pre-plucked. Like, look at that. That's nice. And also this is already bleached, so if you look at that, you guys can tell that that is bleached, right? Like, I can tell. I did not bleach anything, and I appreciate that because I actually ran out of bleach. So hopefully I can install this wig without having to bleach it. So this is the body wave texture. Now, like I said, I washed the unit before, so when I received it, I took it, I shampooed it and I conditioned it, and I'm letting it dry naturally. The density of this wig that they sent me is 130. Again, you can pick different densities, so you don't have to pick the 130. You can do 150. I'm not sure how high they go, but definitely you can contact them and find out ahead of time before ordering. Okay, so the inside of the wig, it's a standard wig, but what's really good is this is really deep. Do you see, guys? Can you guys see how deep that is? So this means you're going to be able to part the wig really, really far. I love that. I don't think I have a wig that goes that deep in the back, so it is ear to ear, and it goes really, really deep inside, so I really like that. And then of course the wefts are sewn on. So there's a new technology used on this wig to tie the wefts, so that's really cool on the lace, and it's already bleached, looks very natural. and you can part it wherever you want, where the lace is. So that's really nice. The hairline's pre-plucked. Okay, and of course it comes with straps. So I'm just gonna leave it on the first strap because I got a big head. I got a big head. Okay, so right off the bat, the wig fits really nicely. I'm gonna be looking up a lot in this video because I'm looking at the viewfinder because obviously I cannot see. Okay, so this is my initial review, right? So I'm just putting it on my head. It matches my scalp amazingly, this lace, like, my God. I'm actually very impressed with how well that matches my skin. And if you can see, like, it does look pre-plucked. Like, is it just me or it does actually? And it's a nice pre-pluck. Like, this looks so natural. This looks like, this honestly looks like that, what my hairline, what I hope my hairline would look like. Oh my God. No, I love the lace color. So I'm zooming in close for you guys to see that color blends so well on my skin. And it does go ear to ear. A little bit long on me, or is it just this side is not? Oh, okay, no, that's perfect. So there we go. And the density is nice. Like, it looks very natural. It's very soft. Now guys, I did receive some shedding when I was washing it, and I am receiving some shedding now. So look at that. That is like 3 hairs. Every hair is gonna shed, and if you get a wig that's pre-made, it's going to shed because they have like loose hairs floating around, right? So I'm gonna let you guys know what the shedding is like. I heard that this hair sheds a lot. So I'm gonna be honest, if it does shed a lot, I'm gonna let you know. But it's, to me, there's nothing wrong with the amount of shedding that it's shedding right now, because even your own head sheds, like your own hair. So I mean, it's not that big of a deal. But I am impressed with the texture. It feels very soft. I'm running my hands through it easily. I'm getting more shedding, but that's like normal. Okay, so what I want to talk about right now is the price of this unit. So 18 inches is $193. Can you guys see that? So that's currently going for $193 Canadian. Now, if you're in the States, it's even cheaper. So let's go ahead and part this hair. Wow, it goes all the way back. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to get off the camera, cut the lace off because I can't do both at one time, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks. No, first of all, I'm shook, okay? One, because I did not bleach this unit. I did not pluck this unit, and look at it. So all I did was I put some Got2b glue on the unit because I wasn't sure if I would actually have to go in and bleach it myself afterwards, but I actually don't, you guys. This is just with Got2b glue. So I just put it on, so it might not be secured 100%, but look how natural that looks. Wow. I am impressed. And like I said, I just put it on. I just wanted to come back real quick just to show you guys. You don't even need baby hairs. Like, I am shook. Like, you see that. I didn't do any baby hairs. I just put everything back. And that's what it looks like. It's pretty much dry now. So that's the texture of it when it's dry. And I will show you the back. Really nice bounce. It's really lightweight. The cap fits me perfectly. If you guys have a really, really big head, I have a big head, and the medium standard cap fits me perfectly. I am shook, honestly. Like, I can't stop looking at myself in the viewfinder. Look how nice that looks. So now, let's see. Let's see if we can, let's see where we should part it. So I'm gonna part it down the middle because that's where they have the most, that's where you have the most cap. And again, can you guys see that? Look how wide that parting space is. So if I wanted to wear it like this, again with no baby hairs, I could. I didn't style the hair to be worn like this, so it might look a little crazy right now, but look at that part. I'm gonna zoom in. I didn't do anything to the lace or the cap. You can part it anywhere, pretty much anywhere. It's not gonna go as far back once you lose that area where the biggest part was, but I want to see what it looks like straight, and I'm going to lay some baby hairs. Maybe it looks good right now, so I don't know, but I'm going to see what the hair looks like curled in another video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely let me know. Comment your questions down below. Again, this is my honest opinion. Because this hair was sent to me, that does not change my thoughts. I still want to be transparent with you guys and continue to bring 100%, you know, real videos for you guys. And I'm honestly impressed with this hair. This is the initial of a review. So as of right now, I'm really impressed with it. I like how you can literally just put it on your head and wear it, because that's what I did. Like literally just put it on my head and it's ready to go. You can just literally take it out, wash it, and wear it, and it's beautiful. Like it looks so pretty like this. I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it. Again, this is the back. Girl, it's giving me life. I'm definitely about to be somebody's wife. Would I recommend this hair? I would recommend this hair. As of right now, it feels really good. I'm not mad at anything about it. Okay guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. I got stuff to do, but I'm gonna come back with another video and we're gonna see how this hair curls, flat irons, styles. So yeah, definitely subscribe if you aren't already so you can see that video. Until next time guys.